Tired of beard trimmers that tug, pull, or die mid-trim? I analyzed 5 beard trimmers and filtered the ones that actually deliver clean cuts and solid runtime. What I found about blade quality will save you from buying something that looks sharp but drags from day one. Let's dive in. Starting off at number 5, we've got the Braun Series 5 8-in-1 trimmer. The reason it lands here is simple. Braun consistently delivers on build quality and blade longevity. That reputation doesn't come from nowhere. This is an all-in-one kit built to replace several tools at once. Beard trimming, hair clipping, body grooming, nose and ear, detailing, all from one handle. That much versatility usually means compromises. Here, not really. Attachments swap out cleanly, the blade stays sharp, and the whole thing is fully waterproof. Rinse it under the tap, and you're done. The precision wheel with 40 length settings is the standout spec for me. We're talking incremental adjustments, small enough to actually matter. Not just a handful of preset guards, real control over your exact length. For stubble or a medium beard, that kind of granular control makes a real difference week to week. Runtime is 80 minutes cordless. Users who've had it for 2.5 years confirm the battery still holds up. They're recharging every 3 to 5 sessions. That's honest, real-world runtime, not a number that fades after 6 months. Here's the honest tension. The battery is NIMH, not lithium-ion. That means slower full charges and no quick charge option. The charger is also proprietary. In 2026, traveling with a dedicated cable just for this trimmer feels dated. One user actually returned it over this issue alone. That's a legitimate frustration, not a minor complaint. There's also a minor durability note. A couple of long-term owners mention the adjustment dial wearing down after a few years of regular use. Not widespread, but worth knowing. What keeps it on this list is the overall package. People keep buying Braun, and that loyalty is earned. If you want one tool that covers most of your grooming without juggling multiple devices, this is a solid starting point. The link is in the description. Number 4 is the Philips Norelco Multigroom 7000, and I want to start with the detail that genuinely caught my attention. One owner bought this in 2021, charged it maybe 4 times total over the following years, eventually lost the charger entirely, and just ordered a second one because they couldn't be bothered to find it. That's not a quirky anecdote. That's a battery doing its job right. Philips rates it at 5 hours of runtime. In practice, that means weeks between charges for most people, sometimes much longer. The build reinforces the same impression. Stainless steel body, rubber overmold grip that holds well even when wet. It has actual weight to it, not heavy, but substantial. In a market full of hollow plastic trimmers, that difference is immediately noticeable. The motor is quiet too. People upgrading from older models consistently mention how different it sounds. Low vibration, smooth hum. None of that aggressive buzzing that makes grooming feel like a chore. There's something smart about beard sense. The trimmer scans beard density more than 100 times per second. It automatically boosts motor power when it detects a denser section. For thick or coarse beards, that means no stalling mid-trim, no tugging. The blades are self-sharpening steel. People who've used this daily for 6 months confirm zero dulling. That combination matters if you're thinking long-term. Precision is solid too. You get increments as fine as 0.2 millimeters between 1 and 3 millimeters. That's the range where stubble control actually lives. Here's the honest part. The foil shaver attachment is narrow, roughly an inch wide. It works, but it won't replace a dedicated face shaver for a genuinely close shave. That's been a consistent note from people who bought it expecting full shaving coverage. The storage bag they include is also flimsy for how many pieces you're dealing with. For beard trimming specifically, this is a strong pick. The runtime and build quality alone put it near the top of this category. You'll find the link in the description. Number 3 on the list, and this is the one that stands out for a specific reason. The Wahl stainless steel beard trimmer kit is built to last, and the evidence backs that up. Wahl has been making grooming tools since the 1920s. That history isn't just branding. People regularly report getting 7 or 8 years out of their Wahl units. One reviewer only bought a new one because they dropped the old one. That kind of track record matters when you're spending real money on a trimmer. The lithium-ion 2.0 battery delivers 3.5 hours of continuous runtime on a single charge. That's a lot of runway. You're charging this every few months, not every few days. The battery also holds charge during storage, more useful than it sounds. The kit covers serious range, a wide T-blade for beard work and mustache control, a precision detailer head for clean lines, a dual foil shaver for close work, a rotary nose and ear trimmer. The foil shaver is worth calling out specifically. Spring-loaded, comes apart easily for cleaning, and genuinely functional. For an all-in-one kit, that's not always a given. Here's the detail most people overlook. This trimmer comes with a 5-year warranty, and Wahl will actually repair it, not swap it. Repair it, send it in, get it fixed, keep using it. For a product already built to outlast the competition, that's a real commitment. Now, for the honest issues, this trimmer is not waterproof. Wahl doesn't even recommend rinsing it. For a stainless steel build at this price, that's a clear gap. There's also no storage system for the attachments, just a bag you dig through. And there's a known circuit quirk. As the battery drains low, the on-off button can become unresponsive. Plugging in the charger resets it. Not a hardware failure, but a genuinely strange behavior that catches people off guard. For daily precision trimming, real runtime, and long-term durability, this is the most future-proof pick on the list. The link is in the description. At number 2, the Philips Norelco Multigroom 5000. This earns the second spot for one clear reason. It's designed for the person who doesn't want 3 separate grooming tools on their bathroom shelf. Face, body, ear, and nose hair. It's all covered. With 18 pieces in the kit, there's almost nothing it doesn't have an attachment for. That said, that's also the first caveat. 18 pieces is a lot if you're a beard-only person. Half this kit might live permanently in the storage bag. It's worth being honest about that. But here's what makes the kit actually useful rather than just impressive on paper. The adjustable 3 to 7 millimeter comb. On most trimmers, changing your beard length means swapping plastic guards one by one. This one, you just dial in. For daily beard maintenance, that change to your workflow adds up fast. The blades are titanium coated and self-sharpening. That translates to no oiling required and no replacement timeline to think about. It's a trimmer you buy and don't have to maintain beyond rinsing it under the tap, which works because it's fully wet and dry capable. You can trim in the shower without a second thought. 3 hours of runtime per charge. That's a strong number for this category. People who've used this regularly over months confirm the battery holds up, not just on paper, but in real use. And if you're running low before a trim, quick charging means a short top-up actually gets you somewhere. 2 real sticking points. No wall adapter in the box, just a USB-A cable, which isn't ideal when you're traveling. And the power button placement gets a consistent knock from users who find it awkward to reach mid-trim. Not a deal breaker, but something you'll notice in the first few sessions. At this level of versatility and build quality, this is one of the stronger all-in-one options on the list. The link is in the description. Before we reveal our number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the freshest deals on each of these items. And taking the top spot, the Wahl Rechargeable Beard Trimmer Kit. Putting a Wahl at number 1 on a list like this isn't just playing it safe. The brand has been supplying barbershops and grooming kits since 1919. That kind of track record means something. What earns it? The top spot is simple. 14 cutting lengths, 60 minutes of cordless runtime, and self-sharpening high-carbon blades, all in one kit that also includes a nose and ear trimmer. That's a full grooming setup. The 14 lengths go from 1/16 of an inch stubble all the way to a half-inch full beard. 6-position regulator means you're dialing in your look precisely, not just eyeballing it. For the vast majority, guys, doing weekly maintenance, that range covers everything. Here's what I think matters most about the blades. Wahl built these to stay sharp over time. People who have used this kit for a year or more say the cutting performance holds up. The kind of longevity is worth more than any one-day demo. There's also something the listing doesn't push hard enough. Dual voltage support, 110 and 220 volts. It travels without adapters. If you move between countries or take it on frequent trips, that's genuinely useful. The honest tension here, the build has shifted toward plastic compared to older Wahl models. Longtime users notice that. And for very thick, coarse beards, there are reports of the motor struggling at longer guard settings. This handles normal to medium density well. Just don't expect it to power through the heaviest beards without extra passes. The battery is also sealed and non-replaceable. Someone got 5 years out of theirs, which is reasonable. But when it goes, you're buying a new unit. What does help is that Wahl's support team is responsive. There's a documented case of them shipping a replacement razor unprompted when one failed early. For the combination of runtime, precision, and included accessories, this is the most complete kit on this list. The link is in the description. You now know what separates a trimmer that holds up from one that disappoints by month 3. If budget is the priority, number 1 delivers solid runtime and precision subscription for under $35. If you want one kit that covers face, body, and ear without juggling multiple tools, number 2 is the right call. And if you're thinking long-term investment, number 3 has the warranty and track record to back it up. Prices on Amazon shift, so check the current deals through the links in the description.